Right now, those winds are starting to settle down as we continue to slide into that deep core of the cold air. The jet stream is well off to our south, so that's where a lot of these storm systems are going to progress into southern Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, and then out towards the East Coast, which is going to keep the heaviest snowfall from these systems to our south as well. It's going to be a while before we get into that heavy, widespread snow again. That is later in the forecast. We'll show you that in the 7-day. But this latest system, which brought us some later snow flurries and some snow showers along the lakeshore, the heaviest band of snow actually went just to our south into Indiana and Ohio. Yes, we got a little bit of light snow into Michigan, south of I-96 last night, but these storm systems are going to continue to track far enough off to our south that we're not going to see significant snow from them. And then the Arctic air actually continues to get a little bit worse as we slide into this weekend and early next week. You see that darker yellows, the whites, that's that really cold air, that core of the cold air, the piece of the polar vortex that is actually going to slide into the United States by the end of this weekend and actually push into our neck of the woods by early next week. And that could lead to the coldest high temperatures we've seen in this Arctic outbreak, and especially the coldest low temperatures, especially if our skies start to clear out at night. We could get well below zero for our overnight lows. Not going to happen here over the next couple of days. We will get very cold tonight, but high temperatures today, upper teens to lower 20s with a few lighter snow showers, mainly along the lakeshore, and then a few flurries could make it inland towards US 131, but most of us will stay under mostly cloudy skies, and then we'll go partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. Those along the lakeshore will see the warmest temperatures in the lower teens, still very cold, but at least warmer than 2 in Grand Rapids. The further away you are from Lake Michigan and the further north you are, the better chance you have of seeing those very cold temperatures and enough clearing in the sky to bring us down into the lower single digits, even just below zero. We're at -1 by tomorrow morning in Big Rapids, and then we could be seeing those wind chills north of I-96 between 0 and 10 degrees, especially if you get down towards zero or just below zero, your wind chills are going to be the worst. I would say take about 5 degrees off of the air temperature that you're going to have by tomorrow morning, and that's going to be the wind chill you're experiencing for the start of the day on Wednesday. We've got that lake effect band of snow that's really going to quickly fall apart to just a few flurries by this evening. So anywhere between a quarter to a half of an inch of snow, maybe as much as an inch of snowfall is expected along the lakeshore for today. Everyone else, it'll just be a few snow flurries, and then we'll have a few more flurries out there tonight into tomorrow morning. Mostly cloudy skies as you head further to the south, but the best chance of seeing that clearing sky is off to the north of I-96 tonight. And then that more significant snow that I was talking about, that storm system track, is going to be far enough to the south tomorrow to bring some light snow to the far southern counties south of I-94, but the heaviest snow is going to stay into Indiana and Ohio. And then we see another band of heavy lake effect that's actually going to stay offshore because we have more of a north to northeast wind, so that's going to push all that moisture onto the other side of Lake Michigan. But then as we head into Thursday and Friday, we've got a much more better chance of seeing some snow as that jet stream actually starts to pivot a little bit further to the north, and then it goes back south for this weekend, which is going to pour in the colder air. We go down to 12 chilly degrees on Sunday with those overnight lows in the lower single digits, maybe just below zero as we move into the weekend.